Hello students, how are you? Today in this video I will discuss question and answers of All Summer in a Day written by Ray Bradbury. In this video I will discuss multiple choice questions, complete the following sentences, true false with supporting statement, and some short answer questions. So without wasting any time, let's see what questions are waiting for you.
In this video, I will discuss some questions and answers from All Summer in a Day written by Ray Bradbury. I have divided the text into two parts. The first part will be from "It had been raining" to "Waiting world came to them." So let's jump to the question answer session. First section is MCQ. The first question is, on Venus, thousands upon thousands of days were filled with, and the answer is rain. The second question, rain falls continuously in Venus for, we know that the answer will be 7 years. So option B, 7 years. Third questions, men and women who live in Venus have come from, we know that the answer is option C, Earth. Question fourth, the children read in the class about the answer is option C, sun. Fifth questions, in Venus the sun appears in the sky for, and the answer is 1 hour. Question 6th, the children used to play in the echoing, option C, tunnels. The answer is option C, tunnels. Now we will discuss complete the following sentences. The first question is, the civilization was set up, and the answer is in the reigning world Venus. Second question, the children in the classroom chattered and pressed to each other like a, answer is so many roses. Third question, to look at the hidden sun, the children, the answer is peered out of the window. State whether the following statements are true or false. Provide sentences in support of your answer. The first question is, the children were the inhabitants of the earth. As we know, this is a false statement, and the supporting statement is, they set up a civilization in this reigning world. The second question, the children learned that the sun looked like a lemon. We know that it is a true statement, and the supporting statement is, they learned how like a lemon it was. The third question, the children put their hands to their ears because there was a huge chaos. This is a false statement. The supporting statement is, the silence was so immense, one would feel as if the ears had been stuffed. Now SAQ type questions. Question 1, from where did the inhabitants of Venus come and how? The answer is, the inhabitants of Venus came from Earth by rockets. Question 2, who set up a civilization in Venus? The answer is, men and women who came from Earth by rockets set up a civilization in Venus. Question 3, how old were the children mentioned in the text? The answer is, the children were 9 years old. Question 4, what did the children learn about the sun? The answer is, the children learned how like a lemon the sun was and how hot it was. Question 5, what did the children forget about the sun? The answer is, the children forgot the color and the heat of the sun. So these were the questions and answers. of part 1 of All Summer in a Day, written by Ray Bradbury.